These massive HY-80 plates undergo ultrasonic testing to ensure metallurgical integrity before moving to the next stage.
Clear the area below.
Panel secured. Moving to Station 3.
Crane 4, hold position. We have green light alignment on the starboard side.
Copy that, holding steady. Bring the hydraulic pressure up slowly.
Gauge is climbing past the 1,000 psi mark.
Holding steady. System integrity confirmed. Make sure the sealant is fully cured before moving it.
Roger that. We're running behind on the curved sections.
Okay, slowly lower the front side. Watch the clearance on the cable tray. Looks good. Bring it down 5 more inches.
The fabrication process is governed by strict regulatory oversight. Radiographic inspection scans every Molten bronze fills the massive molds. Then, thousands of tons of force compress the metal before precision CNC mills sculpt the hydrodynamic profiles.
Rerunning the test now, the vibration levels look excellent.
Well within naval specifications, we finally achieved perfect balance.
Weighing 30 tons, these anchors are forged from steel heated to 2,300 degrees. In parallel,
The C-13 steam catapult, a marvel of engineering, capable of launching a 70,000-pound aircraft in just 2 seconds.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment. Tension is set on the load cell. We are green. Initiating the test cycle now. Clear the deck.
Okay, reading at station 342.
Point confirmed. We are within tolerance on the starboard side. Lowering the platform now. Steady on the cables. Clear on this side. Guide rollers aligned.
The internal stiffeners prevent buckling while minimizing the weight, essential for the ship's stability.
Crane 1, hold position. Ease on the starboard side, please.
All right, coming left. Looks aligned now.
Okay, begin cycle test. Check the seals on the downstroke.
Guide that section slowly. Mind the clearance on the starboard side. Copy that. Lowering now.
We are 5 meters above the keel blocks.
Roger. Hold position while we engage the hydraulics. Millimeter precision required here.
Baha, Baha. Stop. Hold it right there.
Verifying height now. We are good to go.
Hold the descent right there. We need to check the laser alignment on the starboard side.
Clear on this side. Center line holding steady.
The massive control surface provides the steering authority necessary for maneuvering the 100,000-ton vessel during combat operations and port visits.
Clear the area. Watch the load. Foundations are clear. Torquing bolts now. All right, engage the chain.
All right, team, this is it. Phase 1 flooding starts in Sector 4. Double-check your comms and adhere strictly to the protocols.
A historic moment as the massive structure lifts free, waterborne for the very first time.
Starboard side, slow descent. We have green on the lasers.
Copy that. Dropping slowly.
Initiating emergency stop sequence now. Stop confirmed. Levels look good.
All algorithms verified. Scenario complete.
Logging results for certification.
Transfer initiated. Flow rate steady at 900 GPM. Roger that.
Filtration Delta P is within limits. Documenting results now.
Chain deploying rapidly. Approaching the seabed.
Roger that. Applying brake pressure now. Stand by for recovery.
Hydraulic sequence initiated. Doors opening. Ventilation clear.
Closing sequence starting. Prepare for seal test.
RPV alignment is currently reading .005 inches off center.
Acknowledged. Adjusting crane tension on cable 3.
Reading stable. Check the thermal expansion hangars on level 3.
The isometric drawing shows the bypass line routing clear.
We're circulating chilled water now. We need to ensure every space meets the naval habitability standard. The freezers must hold -10.
The carrier's distilling plant operates reverse osmosis systems exceeding 400,000 gallons daily.
Throughout the carrier, comprehensive pressure testing verifies the integrity of the extensive fire main network.
Tension test on the number 2 pendant. Stand clear of the gear. Hangar Bay 2, confirm elevator status.
Elevator cycling, stand by for visuals.
Roger that, we show movement on cam 12. Tension the high line, steady as she goes. Roger that, maintaining course and speed. Reactor is critical. Bring the plant online.
Acknowledged. Steady parameter rise.
Main engines answered ahead, 1/3. Verify all watertight doors are secured before we undock.
Bridge, combat, all circuits are green. Radar sweep is nominal.
All engines ahead 1/3. Answer all bells.
Aye, aye, sir. All engines ahead 1/3. Acknowledged. Rudder 20 degrees right.
All engines ahead, increasing RPM in measured increments.
Roger that, conning. Engineering answering all ahead, steadying at 200 RPM.
Advance the hose, set the boundary.
Watertight door secured. Flooding isolated.
Medical team, move that casualty to the deck.
Engineering. Reactor power stable at 100%.
Bridge, confirming sustained speed above 30 knots.